Welcome to the GenAI Insight channel.
Today, we're diving into MicOracle, our voice-first interface for Claude Code and Codex CLI. Imagine coding without typing. Just speak. MicOracle is wake-word activated, runs fully offline, and works on any machine, Mac, Linux, or Windows. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how it works, how to set it up, and how it can boost your productivity. Let's get started.
Codex, create a simple snake game.
And just like that, the system generates and executes the code. Again, fully hands-free, fast, and efficient. Let's see the results in action by running the snake game. Here is the snake game, and as you can see, it is working perfectly. The system processes your voice, sends it to the AI, and delivers results instantly. This is the future of development. Let's go through the MicOracle repository step by step and set it up on our system. We start with the quick install. First, we clone the repository, git clone. Then we move into the project folder, cd MicOracle. Now we install the required dependencies, pip install-r requirements.txt. Once installed, we simply pick our platform and run the application. For macOS and Linux, we run /run handsfree.sh, and for Windows, run handsfree.bat. At this point, we can already start using MicOracle by saying, Codex, write a hello world, and it will appear in the terminal. Now, if we want more control, we move to the full install steps. Again, we begin with the core dependencies, cloning the repo, navigating into it, and installing requirements. Next, we choose a speech-to-text backend. For Apple Silicon macOS, we install pip install MLX Whisper. For cross-platform support on Windows, Linux, or Intel macOS, we install pip install Faster Whisper. If we want cloud-based transcription using OpenAI or Azure, we install pip install OpenAI and then configure the required API keys. After that, we select a text-to-speech backend. On macOS, the built-in say command works by default, so no setup is needed. For Linux and Windows, we install pip install pythx3, and on Linux, we also install sudo ept install ispeak. If we prefer Cloud TTS, we can again use OpenAI or Azure by configuring environment variables. Now we move to platform-specific system packages. On macOS, we install brew, install PortaUdio, and depending on the system, either MLX Whisper or Faster Whisper. On Linux X11, we install sudo app install xdotool PortAudio 19dev Python 3dev, and then install Faster Whisper. On Linux Wayland, we install sudo ape install wtype wl clipboard PortAudio 19-dev Python 3dev, and then Faster Whisper. On Windows, we install pip install piperclip pyautoguy pywin32 psutil Faster Whisper. These packages help MicOracle interact with the system and control the terminal. Finally, we configure the environment. We copy the example file, cp.n.example.env. Let's start with the setup on a Linux X11 platform, specifically on a Linux Mint device. We begin by following the README documentation and creating a Python virtual environment. Once activated, we install the required dependencies. For text-to-speech, we use pythx3, and for speech-to-text, we use Faster Whisper for fast and efficient transcription. Next, we install system tools like xdotool and xclip, which help us control window interactions and perform copy-paste operations within Linux. Then, we create the .env file and install all dependencies from requirements.txt. Now comes the key part, running the application. We execute the script and provide the target app, which is the window title we want the system to control. We identify the correct window name using system commands and pass it as the target application. We open a second terminal, install and run Codex, which communicates with our main application in the backend. This dual terminal setup enables seamless interaction between the voice system and the AI engine. Now let's understand how MicOracle code works. The system continuously listens for a wake word, like Codex, and as soon as it hears it, it activates. Your voice is converted into text using speech-to-text models, and automatically typed and executed inside your active terminal or IDE. It supports both local and cloud-based AI models and works across Windows, macOS, and Linux. Now let's look at the setup for Windows. First, we clone the repository and navigate inside the project folder. Then we create a Python virtual environment and activate it. Next, we install the required dependencies. We install Faster Whisper for speech-to-text, and then install additional libraries like piperclip, pyautoguy, pywin32, and psutil. After setup, we run the application. We execute the script and provide the target app, which is the window title we want the system to control. Now we can start communicating with the application using the wake word, Codex. Let's see.
Codex. Create a simple tic-tac-toe game using Python.
And as we can see, the TikTok example is working perfectly. Now let's see it in action on Linux as well.
Codex. Create a simple snake game.
And just like that, the system generates and executes the code. Again, fully hands-free, fast, and efficient. Let's see the results in action by running the snake game. Here is the snake game, and as you can see, it is working perfectly. The system processes your voice, sends it to the AI, and delivers results instantly. This is the future of development, where your voice becomes your interface. MicOracle are built to enhance productivity, reduce manual effort, and enable a truly hands-free coding experience. Thanks for watching, and happy building.